A lot of speculation on can you make money in a more relaxing manner. A lot of people don't know. They don't try to know either. They just say, you know what, it's not real. So let me plug you into my world a little bit and show you what's going on in the marketing space, a hidden secret that a lot of hardworking people do not know about. So let's get right into it. So, this whole digital money thing that you hear, it comes from a affiliate side, a network side. So you'll hear affiliate marketing, you'll hear network marketing. And I know a lot of you are probably wondering, like, are these things real? So how this thing even works is there's companies out there who realize that the direct consumer is the meat and potatoes. Nothing goes more viral than someone posting something on social media and it taking off. People are literally famous right now because they built an audience online for whatever reason. So these companies say, hey, let's cut out the middleman. Let me not waste money with something like ads like you're watching right now and that might work or it might not. And let's just go right to the people. So here are some of the affiliate products that I actually offer online. You see right here, we have like a savings portal. This is more on the network side. And I'm going to explain that as well. So you see benefits, travel discounts, shopping discounts. Then you see something right here, which is more notable to many of you, all natural cleaner. You've never seen this ever. You've never seen this at the store. You've never seen this anywhere because you can only hear about it from consumer. And this is one of the most genius ones that I think. It's a backup. So it secures your photos, your documents, your data, and you can use it on, up to 6 devices and have everything stored on one cloud. So your iPhone, Android can get backed up and you can use those documents or whatever you backed up on any devices. Powerful. You see, I have total terabytes and I use 246 gigabytes so far. So these are products that kind of already sell themselves, but these companies say, hey, we'll pay you guys. And the difference between, let's say, network or affiliate marketing is network. They say, hey, not only will we compensate you per customer, we'll let you build a sales team who goes out there and does their thing and we'll pay override. So we'll help more people get put in position. And then affiliate is usually just one link. Hey, you sell a lotion, they pay you a commission. You sell a software, they pay you a commission. So it's super easy to understand. A lot of people want to be analytical a lot. They want to know why. I just showed you why. It's a thing. A lot of companies are doing it. Amazon has an affiliate product. It just doesn't pay that well. You're either one or two of the type of people that I'm looking for. So one is just someone who has kids. They're just always away. I worked my son's first 5 years and was just always at work, providing the dream, right? Providing, make sure our family is good. So you just want to have more time with your kids. You just want to, you're making good money, you're cool, but you just want to figure out, is there something else? Because many of us have to work into 60 plus to actually sit down. And by then kids are grown and it's like, all right, we're 60 now. Or you're someone who's just kind of like paycheck to paycheck. There's such thing as low income paycheck to paycheck. And there's a such thing as high six figures, still paycheck to paycheck. Just depends on your expenses. And you're like, hey, I just need something else, period. Whether it's the next 90 days or the next 2 years, I need to be building towards something else, or at least opening up another income that can help me make this not so painful, right? So that's what this is for. And like I said, many of you are analytical. Let's not skip this. You need to know, how do these things work? So one of the most notable and simple ways, affordable ways, is obviously social media. So you see reels, you see image posts, Pinterest. A lot of people start there. The next way would be social media as well, but it's a little less social. It's just more video to video, and that's going to be YouTube. YouTube is great as well. This video is going to go on YouTube as well, which gets me to where we are now, and that's ads. I just actually picked ads up. I knew it for a while, but I actually picked it back up because what's going to happen is a lot of you have no time to do all this. And that actually brings me back to why people do affiliate and network, because a lot of people don't have time to go try to do drop shipping, time to sell clothes, time to go start up a brick or mortar business, time to start up something that they can do locally. No one has time. These are things that you can do on the side that are very easy. Posting a video, going back to doing your thing, takes no effort. Posting a YouTube video, it takes a little bit knowing how to post it, but once you know it, record it, post it, go about my business. Ads, even more automated. Find a winning ad or something I want to say today, a video like this that explains something, put it up. There's obviously a way to do it. Put it up, and wow, it's shown to 20, 30, 50 plus people, right? Just like that. And with ads, you can target the exact person you're looking for. So if you're someone who makes six figures, someone who makes five figures, you can target those people. If you're a mom with kids, if you work at a certain place, you can target those people in ads. So it's pretty much finding the people you need. And then, it's up to you to deliver a good piece of information. So you want to know, how do they pay? Some pay weekly, some pay daily, some pay monthly, some do all. Some literally pay daily, weekly, and monthly. It just depends. The affiliate side is very cool because people understand it a little more. They get, all right, I just exchange a product for a service, get paid. When it gets to the network side of marketing, a lot of people are like, is it one of those things? And they don't realize one of those things are very important in this equation, because guess what happens? People get sick, people get busy, etc. If you have a sales team out there, the business doesn't stop. You might not make as much as you would have did personally if you were out there producing, but it's still moving. You still have people getting the product out there. You're still earning overrides. So personally, I do them all. What we're going to be showing you is something super quick and easy that's just going to get your foot in the door. Whether this is the actual product or this is the part of the industry you actually want, that doesn't matter. We want to get you in the door and you seeing how it works to post content, how it works to help other people, how it works to learn this really untapped skill set. So you're going to be getting paid weekly and monthly, right? So my expertise is in the AI space. It's in the video space. Associates in film, certification in audio engineering, and I've been producing videos and images for a decade now. So, and I actually just acquired this skill of running ads. That's how you're here. So I'll be showing you guys all of the above. Anything you want to do. If you want to start small, free content. If you want to just understand how does it work, how to look at social media, how to do these type of things, we're going to do all of that. It's going to be all in our Facebook community, guys, where you're going to be able to learn and take this one simple product that I'm going to start you guys with and scale it up. As far as the cost in this industry, it's like playing sports. You start off with a certain amount of equipment, but as you go up in level, you want to be more prepared. You want to have more efficient equipment, quicker equipment, automated equipment. So you work your way up, guys. So we'll speak about personally the cost, and we'll do a free consultation and see just pretty much where you're at in your life and what you want to do, guys. But all you have to do is like this video and comment in the comment section how, so you can get for more information on this. And I'm going to give you further instructions, guys. Thank you for watching this, and I hope this is more clarity on the marketing industry, the untapped way to make money.